This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to activate system mode on Claude. So I'm logged into my Claude Anthropic account. As you can see, it says back at it Matthew. Now you can see that I have dark mode added here. Everything is dark. We've got all these shadows and darkness going on. I added that in a previous video. So to add the system mode, which in my case is a light mode, what we will do is we will come down to the very bottom and we will click on, it will either be a picture of yourself or your initial. In my case, I've got the M initial here for Matt. And then at the top, we have settings. So let's click settings. General settings are fine. They open by default. We will scroll down, and then you'll see preferences here. So we've got the appearance preferences here. Now, as you can see, dark mode is highlighted. That is set. We have light mode here, and then we have system mode. So system mode will move it to whatever your default system mode is. We will click on system mode, and just like that, it goes bright. We are now onto system mode. That will instantly save. You don't need to click save or anything like that. Let's X out of that, and we're now on system mode. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.